Hello friend, welcome to Take Force YouTube channel. This video discuss about by how to get cheap entry to national parks year round. So let's start my video. Summary: National Park enthusiasts can enjoy free entry days at national parks in 2024. Over 300 national parks in the US are free to visit year round, providing a cost-effective alternative to paid entry parks. Save money with an America the Beautiful Pass, which covers entrance fees at national parks and other regulated parks areas full for a full year. National parks are one of the most popular destinations for travelers across the US thanks to their natural beauty and one of a kind ecosystems. Will national parks are already some of the most budget friendly vacation spots, especially for families. Those hoping to see more than one park that charges an entry fee may still find themselves feeling some financial strain. Thankfully, there are a few tricks to reduce cost when visiting national parks. There are 6 free entry days in 2024 for all the national parks across the country, but not everyone can take advantage of these discounted days. Since the national parks are designed to be accessible to everyone, the National Park Service has come up with some other ways to reduce costs for visitors. With special passes and a surprising number of free to visit national parks, here are some ways to enjoy a cheap visit to some of America's favorite national parks. Tip: for those who can, the free entry days at national parks are worth exploring. The 6 free entry days for 2024 are January 15, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, April 20, beginning of National Park Week, June 19, Juneteenth, August 4, Great National Outdoors Day, September 28, National Public Lands Day, and November 11, Veterans Day. Enjoy the national parks that are always free. Over 300 national parks are free to visit every day of the year. National park can mean a couple of different things, but for the National Park Service, it refers to any of the areas managed by NPS, including national parks, national seashores, national battlefield, and more. With the definition in mind, there are 428 national park units in the US, including the 63 national parks that most think of when they hear the term. Of this, only 121 national parks charge an entrance fee, which generally charges rangers from $10 to $35 either per person or per vehicle. This means that 307 national parks are free to visit any time of year. It's not just the obscure national parks that are free to visit. Either, although many of the least visited national parks in the US do happen to be free, major national parks like Redwood National and state parks in California are always free to visit. These free parks can prove to be a great alternative to paid entry parks like Muir Woods National Monument, which costs $10 per person. Instead of Muir Woods National Monument, California. Redwoods National and State Parks, California. Popular activities: unbelievably beautiful scenic hikes, guided tours, camping, biking. Entrance fee free. Instead of Shenandoah National Park, Virginia, $30 vehicle. Great Smoky Mountains National Parks, tennis. Popular activities: highly rated trails, scenic drives, backpacking, camping. Entrance fee free. Grab an America the Beautiful Pass. For $80, an America the Beautiful Pass covers entry to NPS sites for a full year. The America the Beautiful National Parks and Federal Recreational lands pass usually. Know as the America the Beautiful Pass is one of the best ways to save money on national park visits without having to limit the number of adventures. There are several benefits for America the Beautiful Pass holders. The standard pass costs just $80 for a full year of visits and covers entrance fee at all the NPS locations. In addition to covering all the national parks in the US, the pass also covers entrance fees free areas controlled by the Bureau of Land Management BLM, US Forest Service lands, and other regulated park areas. The real money saving secret of the America the Beautiful Pass, however, is how many people it can get thought the gate. Will the pass holder must be present at the time of use? One America the Beautiful Pass covers the entrance fee free for an entire car including up to 6 passengers at parks that charged by private vehicle. For parks that charge per person, the pass admits the pass holder and up to 3 other guests. Over 16-year-old visitors 15 and under are always free at these parks. For families or just groups of friends trying to enjoy one of the many bucket list worthy national park road trips around the US on One America the Beautiful Pass can quickly save a significant amount of money. America the Beautiful Pass annual pass cost $80 pass. Who's covered? One private vehicle up to 6 people or 4 adult guests including pass holder. Which lands are covered? National Park Service land, US Fish and Wildlife Service lands. US Forest Service Land Bureau of Land Management Lands Bureau of Reclamation Lands US Army Corps of Engineers Land. Explore special passes for unique groups. Seniors, military veterans, and even fourth graders can get special discounts on national park entry. Will the America the Beautiful Pass is by far the most common entrance pass. There are some other more specialized passes that can get visitors into national parks for cheap or free. Travelers over the age of 62 who are interested in exploring US national park have two senior America the Beautiful Pass options. The first is an annual pass which costs just $20 per year and has all the some benefits of a standard America the Beautiful Pass. The other is a lifetime pass which costs $80 and lasts as the name suggests for the life of the pass holder. Senior America the Beautiful Pass. Senior annual pass $20 year. Senior lifetime pass $80 one time fee. Tip: in addition to the basic benefits of the America the Beautiful Pass, senior pass holders can get up to $50 50% off of additional park fees, including campsites, boat lounges, and specialized services. Several groups are eligible for free America the Beautiful passes, enjoying access to everything the national parks have to offer without a single entrance fee. Active military veterans, those with permanent disabilities, and those currently enrolled in the fourth grade all have specialized passes that are free with appropriate verification. Free America the Beautiful passes, activity military veterans, Gold Star families, permanently disabled residents, current fourth graders, public lands volunteers. Note: to get the free America the Beautiful pass for a fourth grader prospective guest must get a visual thought the Every Kid Outdoors website. National parks are undoubtedly some of the most worthwhile national attractions in the US, but visiting them can put a strain on the budget for those unable to attend one of the free In trip days, there are many opportunities to visit national parks for cheap, whether sweeping expensive parks for free, to enter in winters or investing in one of the many America the beautiful passes. The NPS has worked hard to ensure national parks are accessible टू एवरीवन। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।